sit. Either I go for the north rim or west. This is the cabin. Oh, is it? Let's think about that. The rain.
Waterfall. What time do they start?
Right about right after 10 minutes.
Hey, who the hell are you?
It looks like Phil Spector.
Hopefully.
Yeah?
It looks like Howard Stern.
You better look and see. At least you'll see one thing.
Howard Stern shot with Phil Spector.
Oh!
Waiting's doing really good. Waiting, this is your first one.
I had a couple of KGBs following me.
HB's, really?
Yeah.
Do a couple of crazy items.
No, they don't drink. They're not that crazy. After all, they're not that crazy. No, it's too. I was at this other party, and they were the youngest ones there by far, where I was. So I said, how about a better party? I'm out of here. Plus, I was parked in the red. I was 3/4 in the red, right across from the PD. PD. That's where the party was.
Did they got the roadblock?
No.
They'll be sent it up, I'm sure.
Oh, you mean for DUI?
Supposed to be a bunch of them.
Yeah.
There was I saw about 3 or 4 cops, so they were following me in the Mercedes.
They're reaching higher.
I felt kind of sorry for them. And then I got stuck behind a slow car, and it stopped right in the road.
No.
We just never went around it.
No.
Waited and crossed it.
Lights are down to $7. $7 for the back row seats.
Yeah.
$10 there.
Yeah.
Those are $20 for the second row. So box seats are
Box seats are 50.
I just spent 17 for beans, a little tiny dessert,
That's your fault.
beans, and
we had lobster.
they didn't even have beer. Finally, they found.
Yeah, we don't drink that stuff.
I don't either.
We use that to rinse off rusted bolts. No, I'm just kidding.
No, it wouldn't even get to that.
No, we drink
Have a seat.
Yeah.
Is that it?
Party's over.
No, you gotta make a rush right now. They'll be telling everybody, boy, it started, right?
Party's over.
USA?
USA, yeah.
Red, white, blue.
So I feel bad now. I made him miss everything.
That might have been that.
Russian girl. They were going to watch it on your patio.
Oh, no.
US! What?
UA.
United Airlines.
There you go, yeah.
That's for you.
Armani Exchange.
UCA.
I lost him on.
Were you bringing them over here or something?
At the Barge restaurant, yeah, last night.
Gentlemen started?
I think there's kind of a spot next door, yeah, a little bit longer.
People park in this parking lot right there.
Yeah, but it's full, right?
Now there's still 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, but it's quite a walk. Got about 5 houses, 4 houses.
That's my face?
I missed that.
It was frowning.
People on Delano just, by the
There's no
restaurant,
one.
right? Just standing, just lying.
Because they want to watch.
So traffic was just stopped.
Yeah.
There was only one car. I just went around them, and I saw a signal, and then when I started going around, and he throw the signal, and he just freezed it. I mean, I went around him, but he threw it.
This is the end.
So they'll have like tons of them.
That's nice.
That's a box.
It's like Saturn.
Woohoo!
There's the noise. Yay! Oh,
That's the big mama.
yes,
Francisco, the rabbit.
there's other stuff. Oh, that's
What?